Thanks for that. Does your child suffer from eczema? Well, chances are they're not the only ones. These days, more and more Australian children are suffering from this irritating skin condition, and finding a gentle solution can be hard. This morning, Dr Ann-Maree Kurzydlo, a Newcastle dermatologist, joins us. Ann-Maree, thanks for coming in. What is eczema and how can we treat it?
Thanks, Glenn. Eczema or dermatitis is a very common skin condition in Australia. In fact, 1 in every 3 Australians will develop eczema at some stage in their lives. And something that most people don't know is that up to 40% of infants are affected by eczema, particularly in the first year of life.
That's amazing. It's a lot more than I thought. How do we get eczema?
The exact cause of eczema is unknown. It's a condition that's both genetic and affected by a number of factors in our environment.
So what do we know about it?
We do know that the skin barrier is impaired in eczema, and as a result, there's loss of moisture from the skin, exposure to allergens and irritation.
And what about research? What has that revealed?
Yeah, so research has shown that some patients with eczema are actually deficient in natural moisturising factors known as filaggrin breakdown products.
Filaggrin breakdown products.
Correct.
Sounds very complex to me, but you're an expert. What does all that mean to us simple people?
So patients with eczema basically are unable to retain moisture. As a result, they have dry skin and often experience symptoms such as itching and discomfort.
Okay, and that's where you see the red, dry, scaly areas. As you say, they're usually very itchy.
Yes.
What can people do to relieve the symptoms of eczema?
There are a number of things you can do, starting with the use of soap-free and fragrance-free products. Eczema sufferers should avoid perfumes and wear cool cotton clothing rather than synthetics or wool. Regular use of a good moisturiser is vital to the successful treatment of these patients.
Okay, and as a dermatologist, what products then would you recommend for eczema-prone skin?
I would recommend the use of a soap-free cleanser and a good moisturiser such as Cetaphil Restoraderm.
Right.
This skincare range is specifically formulated for eczema-prone skin and has been developed based on a strong collaboration with dermatologists.
So what then makes Cetaphil Restoraderm different to other eczema products that are on the market?
Cetaphil Restoraderm contains filaggrin breakdown products, and as I mentioned, this is often deficient in eczema-prone patients.
And so the product is formulated to sort of replace those things that are missing.
Exactly. Cetaphil Restoraderm has been formulated to supplement what is naturally missing in eczema-prone skin.
That's important. Tell us then, on that point, you know, the difference in using Cetaphil Restoraderm body wash versus, say, just a normal non-soap cleanser.
Unlike some cleansers, Cetaphil Restoraderm is a rich, soap-free foaming cleanser that doesn't dry the skin.
Okay.
Cetaphil Restoraderm is a nice product which preserves and replenishes the skin barrier.
Soothes?
And helps soothe eczema symptoms.
Nice. And what about Cetaphil Restoraderm body moisturiser? How is that different to a normal moisturiser?
Cetaphil Restoraderm body moisturiser helps relieve dry, itchy, eczema-prone skin.
So just like the body wash, nice and smooth. Got the filaggrin breakdown?
Like the body wash, it contains filaggrin breakdown products.
I'm understanding this.
It's clinically proven to increase the skin's ability to retain moisture and has a nice light texture that's fast absorbing.
Fantastic. What about frequency of use? How often should we use Cetaphil Restoraderm?
Cetaphil Restoraderm is recommended for daily use. However, the moisturiser is easily absorbed into the skin and can be used as often as needed through the day.
Okay. And you said earlier too that 40% of babies will suffer from eczema. Is Cetaphil Restoraderm suitable for babies?
Yes, it's suitable for babies over 3 months of age.
Great. And the big question, of course, that a lot of viewers are going to be wondering right now, where can we purchase Cetaphil Restoraderm, Ann-Maree?
Cetaphil Restoraderm is available at pharmacies.
Fantastic. Or you can go online too, pharmacyonline.com.au. Certainly worth a try to relieve that irritable skin. Look, with eczema affecting 1 in 3 Australian kids, Cetaphil Restoraderm might just be the relief you're waiting for. Remember, Cetaphil Restoraderm, available in pharmacies or online at pharmacyonline.com.au. Dr Kurzydlo, you're a star. Thank you for coming in for all that.
Pleasure.
Cetaphil Restoraderm. Sounds good to me. Guys,